Alright, so this was my old seats here. The ones from my 2000 Toyota Celiac GTS. And look at this one. This is the passenger side. So this was a little bit bad right here. So, and I'll show you my Celiac here. This is my baby right here. So I'll show you the seats I've got on them. So here are the seats right here. Still got the bags, I gotta take them off. They're nice and comfy. I already took it for a test drive and it looks very nice and they're very comfortable, especially when you're driving. You don't move around a lot. So here they are. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching.